This video introduces the input-output setup of HVS-190. The input ports of HVS-190S are shown here. 8 inputs as standard. Change the signal name for each input. Go to Setup. Input. Name. F1 selects the input source number. F2 and F3 allow you to change the signal name with up to 4 characters for short and up to 8 characters for long, respectively. Press F2 or F3 to highlight the first character. Rotate to select any character and press again to move to the next character selection. When the last character has been changed, the signal name is confirmed. The signal name can also be changed using in the Web GUI. Setup. Name. The name can be changed using the keyboard. HVS-190 is equipped with frame synchronizers for all inputs. In Setup, Input, Signal, you can set the on-off of FS for each input. HVS-190 has 4 SDI outputs as standard, including 1 PGM output, 3 auxiliary outputs, and 1 HDMI output. Select the auxiliary output video. First, select from the OU buttons. Assign Preview to Auxiliary 1. Press Auxiliary 1 while holding down the Auxiliary Select button. Press Preview on the key Auxiliary bus. Assign in 02 to Auxiliary 2. Press Auxiliary 2 while holding down the Auxiliary Select button. Press 2 on the key Auxiliary bus. Next, select Output from the menu. Go to Setup. Output. Auxiliary. Press F1 to select Auxiliary channel. Press F2 to select the source to be assigned to Auxiliary. When Inhibit is set to on, changing the auxiliary assignment by pressing the control panel buttons is disabled. The next step is to select the signal to be assigned to HDMI output. HDMI output of HVS-190 supports UHD output. When the UHD output mode is switched on, 4 HD images are combined and output. There are 4 crosspoints out 1 to 4 in the HDMI crosspoint menu. Out 2 to 4 are enabled when UHD mode is on. When UHD mode is off, the video selected for out 1 is output to HDMI. This time, we will output multi-viewer to HDMI. Go to Setup. Output. HDMI. Select MV1 in out 1. Multi-viewer will be outputted to the monitor to which HDMI is connected. On page 2, you can switch the UHD output mode on or off, select the audio to output via HDMI and select the color range of the signal using color space. When UHD mode is set to on, the HD signals out 1 to 4 selected in page 1 are combined and output as a single UHD signal. In Audio Select, use F2 to select the video signal with audio superimposed that you want to output to HDMI and F3 to select the audio channel to output. HVS-190 can output 2 audio channels to HDMI. Color space allows you to change the color range output over HDMI to suit the monitor used. The following section describes the multi-viewer setup. Go to Setup, Output, MV. You can also jump directly to the multi-viewer menu by double-clicking the MV button on the key Auxiliary bus. Page 1 allows you to select the split pattern, switch the split border on or off, and select the audio to be used for the MV output. Page 2 allows you to select the source to be displayed on each screen. Select the signal to be used in the tally and select on/off for the audio level meter. Page 3 to 4 allows you to set the title for each screen. Page 5 allows you to set the safety marker settings. Page 6 allows you to set the tally settings. Page 7 allows you to set the border color settings.